Today's tutorial is on Natalia. Natalia is such a sweetheart. She's graduating from grade 12 this year, and I love just having young people in my studio so I can teach them how to properly do makeup on themselves. Here's Natalia. So I'm going to start by spritzing your face with some toner. It's just going to refresh the skin and get it ready for makeup, so just close your eyes for me. And then I'm going to put some moisturizer on as well. So I'm going to use our foundation, our loose powder foundation in Flaxen Field. It's kind of an olive undertone. And yeah, it's a good match for you right now. Maybe you go a little bit lighter in winter, but right now it's good. And yeah, like I was saying, I'm just going to get a turn. The loose powder foundation has the fullest coverage. So if you like a lighter coverage, then I'd say going with the pressed powder. A tinted moisturizer has like a very light coverage, but this one's got nice full coverage. Dab it on and then swirl it into the skin so it kind of buffs it into the skin, and this brush is very nice and gentle so it's not hurting the skin at all. I find powder is easier and quicker to use than liquid foundation just because it's faster to blend. So I'm taking a cream concealer next, and this is the shade Light, and this is going to go on your eyelids, and I'll just get you to close your eyes. Comb them first, and I'm not going to put a lot in the brows, just a little bit. And this is an ash tone brow color called Cinder, so it's kind of like a medium brown. And just turning that way actually, and just kind of in the outer part of the brow, just to fill in this area, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. I don't want them to be too full. Like, fullness when you're young is really nice, but if you got like really unruly and very full, thick brows, it just kind of ages you a little bit, so we don't want you looking way older than you are. So first I'm taking my fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking the shade called Opal. It's kind of this like shimmering light color, and it's a highlight color, and it goes right under the eyebrow. Rosy pink look because I thought that would look really nice with your eye color. It's not the only colors you have to go with, but I thought it'd be really nice. So the next one is called Icy Pink, and that's going to go on the eyelid. I'm going to take Magic Mauve, and that's kind of a rosy color. It's one of my favorite colors, and it pairs so well with anything. Like, it really does pair nicely with bronzy colors or browns. So you can kind of pair it with that, or you can pair it with plum colors too, so it's pretty versatile in that way. It's going to go kind of just in the outer corner of the eye. Just look very pretty. It's a very feminine look. So taking the Magic Mauve, just like the tip of this brush here, and that's going to go under the eyes, so I'll get you to look up with your eyes. And I'm just kind of sweeping it under. So then this is going to be used as your eyeliner under the eyes. We're not going to do anything else then, but I will do some on the top lash line. But this is nice, just kind of a soft, feminine look under the eyes. It's not like harsh looking, it's not going to age you. But I'm going to use a black eyeliner on the top lash line. And if you keep the line really thin, then it's going to just be a very natural look. almost hardly look like you're wearing eyeliner, but it will be a big difference between the eyes that do have eyeliner and not. So just look at the camera, just so you can see the difference. It's not huge, but there is a difference there. I'm going to do black mascara for you. I'm going to take some contour shade, and this one's called Alluring. It's just a lighter contour, and this goes right under the cheekbone, and it just accentuates the cheekbones. And you just want to make sure that that's really blended. You don't want to see any lines there. And next I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer. I'm not going to do any highlights on you. I'm just going to do a bit of bronzer and then some blush. And this one's the shade Light. And these are all loose powders. And this is going to go just kind of on the upper cheekbone here. Just very lightly. And you can bring it in the hairline too. So next I'm going to take the blush, and this one's called Lotus. Just a light pink, like a very natural pink. Bronzer and contour is nice, but blush just kind of like wakes up the face. And then I can do a little bit of the mascara on the bottom lashes. And then I'm going to do a cream concealer under the eyes now. Done concealer on this side here, so just seeing the difference between the two sides. Natalia doesn't have very dark under eye circles, so that's nice. So it's not a huge difference. But we are going to do a setting powder before we do lips. It's called Matte Minerals, and it's just, that's what it does. It just sets the foundation, keeps it more matte looking. So you can just apply it to the T-zone just to get all the shine. And then we're going to do a lip shine called Mountainberry, and it's this kind of mauvey color. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. What do you think?
It's really pretty.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like the most?
The eyes.
Yeah?
I think so.
Nice. Awesome. Well, thanks so much for doing this, Natalia.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, for sure.